Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter. You can use this filter with the K-Mini, K-Compact, K-Select, and many other models that I'll list below. If you're using a Plus Series coffee maker, you have to attach the Plus Series adapter, which clips onto the bottom of the filter. In the description below, I'll list all the models that you have to add on the adapter and the ones you don't. The filter is BPA free and top rack dishwasher safe. I generally hand wash the filter right after I brew my cup of coffee or tea. I'll show you how to use the filter on this K-Cafe that I just reviewed. If you want to see that review, I'll put a link right below this video. The reusable filter comes with this holder, the actual filter, and the lid. You can fill the filter to 2 lines, one marked with a little coffee cup and one marked with a big coffee cup. When I brew an 8-ounce cup, I fill coffee to the bottom and it's perfect. The filter has been used for a few months, that's why it doesn't look so perfect. I find the filter works really well with coffee and tea. It is a great way to save money as K-cups can get expensive. It's very simple to use. To make coffee, put the filter in the holder and fill with coffee to the first line or the second line. I'll fill it up to the first line. That's 8 grams or 0.3 ounces. Coffee up to the second line is 13 grams or 0.5 ounces. The coffee is filled to the bottom line and I'll brew an 8-ounce cup. The unlock picture matches up with the dot. Just turn it. The lock picture matches up with the dot. The pod holders in the machine to use with K-Cup pods. Just put your finger under the holder. Push and it comes right out. Put the reusable filter in. The arrow goes in the back. It doesn't lock or anything, it just sits. Close the lid and you can brew coffee like you would regularly with any K-Cup. Press coffee, 8 ounce, and brew. And in 45 seconds, you have your cup of coffee. It makes a good cup of coffee. The temperature is about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're done brewing the cup, lift the handle and take out the filter. Turn it and remove the cap. Wash the filter, holder, and lid. These are black tea leaves. As you can see, they're very coarse. More than coffee, I like to use the filter for tea. I love strong black tea, and it's hard to find a K-Cup tea pod that I like. For an 8-ounce cup, I fill to the bottom line. Make sure the lid is on correctly. The tea smells amazing. It tastes really good, very close to a boiled tea in a pot. You can see that gorgeous dark orange color. I know it's strong because I have to keep adding half and half. If you like black tea, save yourself some money and get really good tea leaves. No tea bag or pod is going to come close. It's really hot. Right now it's loose, it's easy to get out, but if you leave it in there, it'll get hard very quickly. So discard the tea leaves right away and rinse out the filter. Don't forget to put the pod holder back in if you want to use a K-Cup pod. If you want to try out this reusable coffee filter, I'll put a link in the description below. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.